In this training video, we'll be going over Dry Timer, a very, very useful tool to have. It's very good for water mitigation guys or any industry. It's for just tracking how long the job has been running. In particular for water guys, mitigation guys, you would set this because you want to keep track and make sure you're getting your 24-hour periods in, or you may not get paid. That's a tip from me right there. You want to make sure you get 24-hour periods. But if it's not a 24-hour period, so be it for the water mitigation guys. But back to Dry Timer. So let's activate it. You're within this project, okay, for James Stevenson, but you want to activate Dry Timer for those that want to use it. Click on it. This window pops down and we can start it, okay? If you needed to stop this number and say, okay, now I want to reset it, you'd click there, okay? But for our purposes, we've started this Dry Timer. The job is being timed right now. We're timing this job. So let's close it out, and it's going to populate. It just populated right here on your call report. So we know this job has been running for 26, 27, 28 seconds, 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, whatever it is. You've got this great feature called Dry Timer. Also, we can see it in another place. Let's say you want to go back to your projects and see all your jobs and say, you know what jobs are running with Dry Timer? Well, we've got 2 right now that are running. You can see that they're going off in seconds. Could be days, okay? So it works really, really well. If you want to go back to the same project, okay, you see that the Dry Timer's still running, okay? But this is how you activate Dry Timer. Just click on this button, Dry Timer, and it's easy as that. A great, great feature to help you keep track of your jobs on timing, okay? To your success, and thank you for watching.